At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with Educational Employees Credit Union, Fresno State, and Chevron. Thank you for watching and supporting positive stories about education.
94% of the welders in this country are men. A big reason many young women are being encouraged to take welding courses in high school.
In tonight's Education Matters, Juanita Stevenson reports on how a welding competition gave female students an opportunity to showcase their skills and earn scholarship money.
The sounds of metal being hit with heat, fused together to make a product. Young women at work participating in a welding competition just for them.
I think it's owed to them. I think the amount of work that they've been putting in, I wanted to lay out a great platform for them to showcase their abilities.
They came from 7 different Fresno County high schools, gathered at CTEC High for the competition.
We wanted to make sure that our ladies within the community had an opportunity to celebrate their skills and showcase it. And to do it here, I couldn't ask for a better place.
All of your parts are stamped.
After receiving the rules and guidelines for the contest, they were ready to start the work. It was a pressure-packed, timed event, but these young women, many wearing colorful helmets that set them apart, are all enrolled in welding programs at their high schools and know their craft.
Once I got the first weld down, I was like, okay, I could do this. I just needed to breathe through it. But other than that, it was just a little stressful.
Students would be judged on their ability to follow welding procedures and meet certain specifications.
It has to be measured properly, has to be squared, as well as it has to be verified and checked before it gets welded out.
Their work meeting standards set by the American Welding Society, its members on hand to help judge the competition.
I'm impressed with the work. I wasn't expecting anything, but when they started handing them in, I was really kind of floored. I teach at the college level, and there's a lot of college level welds here.
AWS was a partner in this event and provided $1,000 scholarships to the top 2 winners. Emily Crawford is an advanced welding student at CTEC High and wants a career in industry.
The fact that they're giving out scholarships for welding to young women like myself is just a big opportunity for us, and it opens a door to the industries for women. And I just think that that's amazing in general.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.